In Africa, there is a kid who may be the Elon Musk of Ghana. Why? Because he built an entire car from scratch that can drive like this. Who is this kid? How did he build this car? And can this car drive itself just like a Tesla? In this tiny house in Ghana, I found Kelvin.
Hi, I'm Kelvin, and people call me the Elon Musk of Ghana.
If it wasn't obvious by now, Kelvin is poor. He grew up in Ghana, where the average person makes less than $300 a month. But that did not stop his ambitions to become an engineer. So ever since he was 10 years old, he was in his garage building robots, toy planes, and even vacuum cleaners out of the stuff he could find around him.
I realized I have a passion in me of creating machines. I didn't go to any engineering school. I taught myself. This
kid taught himself everything, including how to build a car, a real moving car. For 4 years, Kelvin went to car shops to learn about cars. He collected scrap metals from junkyards, construction sites, everywhere.
From the beginning when I started building this car, people didn't understand what I was really trying to do. They were trying to discourage me. Some people were even telling me that I'm even going mad.
Bit by bit, piece of metal by piece of metal, his car was taking shape. But Kelvin couldn't just get everything from the junkyard. Things like engines cost money, more than his family could afford. So he took up part-time jobs to get money to buy an engine for his car.
Been doing menial jobs, sometimes helping the contractors building, selling scrap materials to get money.
3 years later, at the age of 18, after many failures, Kelvin finally finished his own Kelvin Mobile. It opens upwards like a Ferrari, can go up to 300 horsepower, has a wheel, a mirror, a gear stick, everything you can find in a normal car, even a radio for music. And how much did it cost him?
If I had to guess, it would be less than $3,000 in total.
Now, Kelvin is the only one in his town with a car, and every time he takes his car out, everyone will come out to watch.
Anytime I take the car outside, many people feel excited and they would like to take pictures with it. Many people have been motivating me to not give up. From their words and what they have been saying, it motivates me to do it better than how I wish to do.
And he is not stopping there. In the future, just like Elon Musk and Tesla, Kelvin wants to build his own electric car that can drive on its own.
My dream car is to build an electric car that will drive itself and also prevent accident injuries.
And his eventual dream is even bigger. It's to build airplanes and rocket ships to reach new heights and new planets. Just think about this for a second. A kid from a poor family in Ghana with zero money, zero help, was able to build a car from scratch. If the same talent existed in a developed country, he would be working at Tesla. But for now, you'll find him in his garage in Ghana, self-teaching himself how to succeed. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.